Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change frame rate and color space on CapCut PC. So let's open CapCut on PC. Just click on create project, and here, before you import your video, before you start editing your project, you can click on modify first. This one, modify button, click it. So here you can adjust your project settings here. For example, the aspect ratio you can change by default, like widescreen 16:9:4:3, so as you wish, or keep it original. Resolution adapted or custom, here you can custom 1080p, or you can go up to 4K. Frame rate, you can increase the frame rate per second. Here, changing the frame rate will probably affect the clip length, also clip size. And color space, here try to use recommended, for example the SDR, or leave it be. So if you don't know what is SDR, HLG, or PPQ, sorry, you can search in the Google. So I don't want to provide you the information about this. You can search by yourself to learn about the color space. So if you're done, you can save and start your project. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.